Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure tax strategies with H&R Block. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure tax strategies with H&R Block, begin by visiting the official H&R. Sign into your account or create a new one if you are a first-time user. Once logged in, navigate to the tax preparations section of the website. Select the option for tax strategies to get started. Here, you will find an overview of available tax strategies tailored to your needs. Review the descriptions and choose a strategy that aligns with your financial situation. Click on the selected strategy to see more detailed information. Pay attention to any requirements or documents you may need to provide. Next, you'll want to enter your income details in the online tax form. Be sure to include all sources of income, including wages, investments, and other earnings. After entering your income, proceed to fill in your deductions. Consider itemizing your deductions if they exceed the standard deduction amount. Use the H&R Block tools to maximize your deductions by inputting any applicable expenses. Once your income and deductions are complete, proceed to review your tax credits. Look for any tax credits that you may qualify for, such as education or energy credits. After entering all necessary information, use the review option to check your inputs for any errors. Make revisions as needed to ensure all information is accurate. Once satisfied, you can move on to the filing process for your taxes. H&R Block will guide you through filing options, from e-filing to printing a paper return. Consider scheduling a consultation with a tax expert for personalized advice if needed. Finally, submit your tax return through the chosen filing method. Be sure to save a copy of your completed return for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.